Hi students, do you all remember your birthdays? Do you still celebrate the day every year? Why? Yes, we all remember our birthdays. We celebrate birthdays to remind us of the special day when we were born. Although that day is in the past, it still holds great importance in the present time. It is only because of this past event that you are here. How can we know about things that happened hundreds and thousands of years ago? Just like your birthday, there are certain important events which happens in the past and still affect our lives. The study of the past in a way to relate it with the present is called history. History is all about studying our past. We get to know about how people lived, dressed, and ate in the past. There are many such questions to which history can provide answers. Those who study history to know about the past are called historians. Herodotus is often called the father of history and is considered to be the first true historian in recorded history. Kalhana is the first Indian historian. He was born in 12th century. He is the author of Rajatarangini. The book was written in Sanskrit. History is not only about kings, queens and different political events, but also about common people and their lives, what tools were used by people and how villages and towns developed, why they moved from place to place. History is not only about studying the past, but also learning about how the past relates to the present. Do you know why our country is called India? The word India comes from the name of the river Indus. 25,000 years ago, people from distant lands arrived on the banks of the river Indus, and the area beyond the Indus was called India. We still use the term India as the name of our country. Historians use two abbreviations BC and AD used to specify the period before and after a particular date in history. BC stands for before Christ. For example, if a historian has written 500 BC, it means that he is referred to 500 years before the birth of Jesus Christ. All the dates before the birth of Jesus Christ are counted backwards. Sometimes a date is written as 700 AD. Here AD stands for Latin words Anno Domini, which means in the year of the Lord. Here Lord refers to Jesus Christ. Recently, historians have started using the term CE, which stands for Common Era, instead of AD, and BCE, which stands for Before Common Era, instead of BC. How do we get to know about the past? There are different ways of finding information about the past. It is called a source. There are archaeological sources and literary sources. Some sources are material objects such as parts, coins, stone tools, and buildings, known as archaeological sources. Archaeological sources are mainly the material remains of the people who lived many years ago. Those who study these remains are called archaeologists. Archaeologists dig the earth's surface to find different objects which have been buried under layer of soil. Archaeological sources help us to know about the past even if we do not have any written documents or books. They are kind of proof of the past. The other kind of sources are called literary sources. Some are written documents such as books written long ago. All written sources are called literary sources. There are two types of literary sources, manuscript and inscriptions. In the past, when printing was not yet so, books were written by hand. People also used palm leaves. These written documents were also called manuscripts. Our Tamil poet Thiruvalluvar written Thirukkural on palm leaves. It is also called manuscript. Inscriptions were written on hard stone and metal surfaces. They were not destroyed easily and have survived over a long period. Kings and queens recorded their orders in these inscriptions and sometimes even about the different wars they won. These inscriptions were usually placed in public places for people to see. For example, the stone inscriptions of Emperor Ashoka were placed throughout the country, which inform us about the rule of Ashoka. Perspectives means point of view or opinion. What do you think you see in this picture? We all came up with different answers. This is because people generally have different views and perspectives about things. Different people have different ways of thinking. They may have different likes and dislikes. This leads to different opinions about the same thing. Historians study the past by interpreting different sources. These sources themselves don't inform us exactly about the past. Therefore, historians interpret these sources according to their own thinking. Since every historian thinks differently, their interpretation of the past will also be different. Multiple perspectives help us to see the past from different viewpoints. They give us additional information to make our understanding of the past more accurate. Okay, students, today we learned about the importance of studying history to know about the past. History has helped us learn about early humans. We now know how people came to use fire and grow food, which continues in the present day as well. Students, do the worksheet and write the answer in your rough note.